Today we will going to discuss about the first chapter, Introduction to Digital Electronics. The presentation is regarding about the difference between analog electronics and digital electronics. Okay. Before going on the chapter number 1, we have to discuss about what is analog versus digital. Means what is the main difference between analog and digital circuit, why you are using analog and digital circuit, and then the advantages of digital over analog, why to get digital from analog and how it's made, ये कैसे बना था, वेयर आर दे यूज, इसको कहाँ हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, हाउ डू दे लुक, इसको देखने के लिए, और इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, इसका डिज़ाइन कैसा है, what is inside the gates or what is inside the digital, then level of integration. After that, digital design as logic circuit and its application. After that, we will discuss the number system and its interconversation. So, first of all, what is analog and what versus digital? What is analog and what is digital circuit? Basically, analog signal, one whose output varies continuously in step with the input. Here I am defined already that this is nothing but an analog signal that is in the form of sinusoid. The analog signal is always in the form of sinusoidal, only the amplitude or time period may be vary. Only the amplitude or time period may be vary, that is called as analog signal. In digital signal, one whose output varies at discrete voltage level, commonly called as high or low, or it is represented as the form of on or off, or it is represented as the form of 1 or 0. I can say it like this, in between analog and digital, analog signal are continuous in nature and digital signal are discrete in nature. अगेन मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, जो एनालॉग सिग्नल होता है ना, वो बेटा कंटिन्यूसली आपको इनपुट मिलता है, इसलिए इसको कंटिन्यूस सिग्नल बोला जाता है. बट डिजिटल सिग्नल डिस्क्रीट नेचर की होती है, और ये कुछ गैप, टाइम पीरियड के गैप के बाद आपको सिग्नल मिलती है. कुछ समय ये ऑन रहती है और कुछ समय ये ऑफ रहती है. एनालॉग सिग्नल में ये सिग्नल बेसिकली साइनस, इसके बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है साइनोसोडियल सिग्नल. बट डिजिटल सिग्नल में इसको लो और हाई के हिसाब से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है, और 1 और 0 के हिसाब से इसे हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. देन नेक्स्ट, व्हाई यू आर यूजिंग डिजिटल सिग्नल, व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ और इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डिजिटल सिग्नल. हियर द डेटा कैन बी स्टोर्ड, और द मेमोरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ डिजिटल इज मच in comparison with analog, it is good. Data can be used in calculation. For calculation purpose, we are using the data. The compatibility with the display technology, or the display technology is basically very good. So that's why we are using here. And compatibility with the computer technology or computer assembly language can also regarding or using this 0 and 1 data. System can be programmed. By using this digital, system can be programmed. Digital IC family makes design easier. By using digital, that information or the data may be more easy. Then, why not analog? If we are using digital, why not analog? What is the main disadvantages or the drawback or the limitation we are following in analog signal? Before going on that, analog signal is nothing but most real world events are analog in nature. Most real world events means पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स या इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे थे वो एनालॉग सिग्नल में यूज़ कर रहे हैं, और मोस्ट रियल वर्ल्ड में इवेंट्स आर एनालॉग इन नेचर. एनालॉग प्रोसेसिंग इज यूजुअली सिंपलर, इट्स डिज़ाइन इज़ वेरी सिंपल, and analog processing is usually faster. In comparison with the digital, it is more faster, and the traditional electronic system were mostly analog in nature. The traditional systems are mostly analog in nature. But why, if it has worldwide, if it is speed, then why we are not using analog, we are using digital? So the benefits of digital over analog is, first one is reproducibility, means we can regenerate the signal. So it is the main advantages. Second is not affected by noise, means the quality. Actually, the data, the information or the output or the input, it may be stored or used in the form of digital. At that time, the extra noise can't be added. If added, then the quality will be never changed. We can clarify or we can correct the data easily in digital. So third point is so easy of design. So I can design the digital system or digital network very easily. Fourth one is data protection. The data is only understood or only used or processed by the sender and receiver. The third person can't use, so it is a data protecting device. Fifth one is, this is nothing but a programmable. We are using this type of digital data in program. The transmission of digital data is very speed. And next one is economy. So this is the benefits of digital over analog. Then how to get digital from analog signal? You see here there is basically the sinusoidal waveforms. The blue one is the sinusoidal waveform. I have written already. The blue one is analog signal and the red one is nothing but digital sample. Within same interval of time period, I am taking different time values with respect to voltage. So the representation of different time with respect to voltage is called as your digital information or digital sample. It is also called as sample values or sampling. Then how it's made? ये कैसे बनता है? At any point in the circuit, only two voltage states are present. One is high, another is low. कोई भी सर्किट को वर्किंग कंडीशन में लाने के लिए वहाँ दो वोल्टेज स्टेट की जरूरत है. दो वोल्टेज स्टेट की जरूरत नहीं, दो वोल्टेज स्टेट होता है. बेसिकली एक है हाई और एक है लो. और we can also call it, sometimes we called also true or false. True or false. Or we can represent as in the form of on or off. In Boolean logic, it is represented in the form of 0 and 1. Generally, roughly consider high means 1 means positive phi value, while 0 means grounded, it is considered as low. So, we know that the electronics basic component is nothing but a transistor. So, this transistor is nothing but act as a switch. We already studied analog circuit. Before going to analog, there is a subject analog and digital communication. In EC, we will study that is in digital electronic circuit, and in electrical we are going to study as analog and digital circuit. Means here the analog data or analog information or analog electronics is totally depend upon the digital electronics. They both are depend with each other. So the analog device, that is transistor, is act as a switch, or I can here write transistor as a switch is the building block of digital electronics. This is the basic component of both analog circuit and digital circuit. So you know that VCC here on the above already I have written VCC means this is nothing but the supply voltage or source voltage, that is your 5 volt plus 5 volt. On the below side it is represented as the grounded line, so it is represented as 0 voltage.